Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
Ready for the next question, children? Here is your upcoming question. Now, in the picture below, AB is equal to 2 meters. What is the measure of CD? Okay, so this is the picture. Okay, say for example, now it's A, B, C and D. The length of this is given as 2 meter. Okay, you need to find out the length of CD. Okay, the option given are 1 meter, option B 200 centimeter, option C 2 centimeter, option D 30 centimeter. So did you understand the question, children? It's a very easy question, but there is one small touch to it. If you see here, we know that a rectangle has got the equal sides, the opposite sides equal, right? So if AB is 2 meter, naturally CD will also be equal to 2 meter. Now can you find anywhere 2 meter as the option? No, we cannot find it. But we know very well that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So which means 2 meter should be equal to, excellent, 200 centimeter, right? So the option is given in terms of centimeter. So option B is the right answer. So sometimes you may come across tricky questions like this. Here there is also given as 2, but the unit is centimeter. So just by seeing the answer, don't put it as a right answer. You need to observe clearly the figures and then mark the answer. Clear? Shall we move to the next one? Okay. So here is your next question. Choose the correct ascending order. Two meter, 50 centimeter, 100 millimeter. Okay. Fine. The options are 2 meter, 50 centimeter, 100 millimeter. Option B 100 millimeter, 2 meter, 50 centimeter. Option C 100 millimeter, 50 centimeter, 2 meter. Option D 50 centimeter, 100 millimeter and 2 meter. Okay. So now we have seen here that the units are different for all the three questions. One is meter, one is centimeter, one is millimeter. When we studied the length, we learned that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Right. And then what was the conversion in terms of millimeter we saw? we also saw that 1 centimeter equals to 100 millimeter. Yes, so which means millimeter is the smallest one. So first will be millimeter, followed by the centimeter, and then followed by meter. So if you notice the sequence of length, it should be first will be millimeter, then it will be decimeter, then it will be centimeter, then meter, then kilometer. This is how it will go, right? So you can put it like this. Okay. So now in our question, decimeter and kilometer is not given. So it should be millimeter followed by centimeter followed by meter. Where can you see that option? 100 millimeter, 50 centimeter, 2 meter. So option C is your right answer. Clear? Shall we move to the next one? So here is your next question. Which of these is the lightest? Okay. Your options are 1090 grams. Option B, 1 kg, 39 grams. Option C, 1390 grams. And option D, 1 kg, 93 grams. Okay. So now here again there is a combination of gram and kilogram given. So it's better that we convert the entire thing in 1 unit. So we know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams, right? We know this table very well. So now here it's given 1090 grams. So this can be written as 1 kilogram 90 grams. Okay. Here it is given as 1 kilogram 39 grams. This can be written as 1 kilogram 390 grams. And again this is given as 1 kilogram 93 grams. So which do you think, children, is the lightest among the 4 of them? It is option B. So option B, 1 kilo and 39 grams is the lightest among the all. Clear? Shall we move to the next one? Okay. So here is your next question. The next question says, if 4 tomatoes is equals to 2 kg, how much would 10 tomatoes of same size weigh? Your options are 5 kg, option B 6 kg, option C 4 kg, and option D 10 kg. Okay. So if 4 tomatoes is equal to 2 kg, then we need to find what is the weight of 1 tomato, right? So it is 2 by 4, which is equal to half, or 500 grams. Okay. So now Is it easy for us to find the weight of 10 tomatoes? So which should be 500 into 10, that is equals to 5000 grams or 5 kilogram. Okay, so where is 5 kilogram? It is option A. So if 4 tomatoes weigh 2 kg, then 10 tomatoes of the same size would weigh 5 kg. Okay, so this is a easy calculation here. So we will first find the weight of 1 tomato and then we will multiply the answer obtained by 10. That is the question asked. Clear? Shall we move to the next question?